Welcome in this video. In this video, we will see how we can set up the Terraform on the Windows operating system. So do one thing, go to the site terraform.io/downloads. So in this page, you can see all the available versions for different operating system. You can see Mac OS, Windows, Linux. So do one thing, click on this MD64 and download it on your local. So once you download it, you can see here, do one thing, right click and export. Do one thing, right click and unzip. You can see the terraform.exe. Now what you have to do, you just copy it and put it somewhere into the C drive or somewhere. I have created directory Terraform and I have placed this exe inside this folder. Now we need to do one thing, go to the environment variable. If you type here, type edit the system environment variable. Here do one thing, go to the environment variable and click on path. Click on edit. So once you edit, so here you can see the list of the environment variable. Here you can see I copied this path and put it here. I had already created, but in your case you can click on new. On the new, put the same path, exe path. That should be the exe path, and close it. Now you are ready to use the Terraform on your system. Now do one thing, open the command prompt. From here as well you can open the command prompt. Just click here on this path and type cmd, press enter. You can see this form, and now type Terraform. You can see all the available things. Now you are good. You can use the Terraform on your Windows operating system. So that is the way to install the Terraform on the Windows operating system. So that's all in this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.